I will never be able to understand your pain. And you will never be able to understand my pain. It'll never happen. Every situation is unique. Every heart is unique. Every ache is unique. And the only one who truly understands the pain that you're going through is Allah. The only one who will truly understand what you're going through and sympathize with you like no one else is capable of sympathizing with you. Even the best of your friends is going to be Allah. I know something from Allah that you people don't know. I know that Allah knows me the way you can never know.